Good afternoon, folks. Anyway, I know it's been a hot minute since I posted anything, but I've been doing a little bit more piddling my shed lately than shooting pellet guns. So I thought I'd bring y'all in here and show you my little hobby shop that I got here. I just piddle around and sometimes I make stuff, sometimes I just clean my tools. So anyway, here, let me flip y'all around and take you on a walk through. Excuse the mess, it's always a mess in here. Well, here's my charging station, my little Harbor Freight drill press. Yes. And just a little bit of odds and ends crap here, there, and everywhere. But anyway, y'all might find this interesting. Redone a couple of axes over the years. Here's one that I redid not that long ago, little camp axe. Here was actually the very first one that I did. And here's going to be the latest project I've been working on, is putting a new handle on this old knife. But anyway, okay. And shop's not complete without a dartboard. That's the way I believe, and that's the way it's always going to be in my shop. But that's where I was sitting when I started this thing. But give me a moment and I'll sit back down. Anyway, I wanted to take this time to just kind of touch base and say hi and say, yeah, I haven't forgotten about the channel, not totally anyway. And anyway, just wanted to let y'all know that Jesus still loves you. Doesn't matter what you've done, there's always room for Jesus. Yeah, if you have any questions on that, just let me know. I'd be more than glad to answer any questions you got on that. But anyway, hey, I guess it's about time that I replace the handle on that mallet that I broke the handle on the other day. But anyway, I guess I'll get busy working in here until my wife gets home.